If you have a domain you no longer need and you want to turn it into cash, Namecheap gives you a simple way to list it for sale right from your account. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sell your domain in Namecheap step by step so you can set your price, publish your listing, and understand what happens after someone buys it. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go ahead and log in to your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, you'll want to head over to the domain list section from the left sidebar. This is where all of your registered domains are listed in one place, so if you own multiple domains, this makes it easy to find the one you want to sell. Next, look for the domain you want to put on the market and click Manage next to it. This opens the settings page for that specific domain. From here, you'll need to scroll down until you find the section called Other Domain Settings. Namecheap organizes a lot of domain options here, so take your time and make sure you're in the right place. Once you see the option, click Sell Domain. This is the feature that allows you to create a public listing for your domain on Namecheap Market. After clicking it, you'll be asked to enter your asking price. This is the amount you want buyers to pay for the domain, so choose a price that makes sense for the value of the name, the brandability, and the demand. After that, you'll select how long you want the domain to stay listed. This gives you control over how long the listing remains active before it expires. Then, Namecheap will also ask whether you want the domain to have an adult listing. If your domain is related to adult content, you should choose the appropriate option so the listing is categorized correctly. If not, leave it as the non-adult option. When everything looks good, click Sell Domain to publish the listing. At this point, your domain is submitted to Namecheap Market and the listing typically becomes visible within about 24 hours. So if you don't see it instantly, that's completely normal. Give it some time for the listing to go live. Now, once your domain is live, anyone browsing Namecheap Market can see it and make a purchase if they're interested. If someone buys your domain, Namecheap handles the transaction process for you. After the payment is received, the domain is transferred automatically to the buyer's Namecheap account, which makes the process much easier than trying to handle the sale manually. That's really all there is to it. You log in, find the domain, open the selling option, set your price, choose your listing duration, and publish it. It's a straightforward way to list a domain for sale without needing a complicated marketplace setup. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step tech tutorials. And if you want, I can also show you how to check whether your Namecheap domain is eligible for selling or how to set the best price before you list it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.